Hi folks, we're going to do some bridging. First of all, I tell you, I can't really do the version where we roll back down, so I'm going to do a flat back bridge. And which, of course, you can do the version where you roll, kind of articulate your back if you want to do that, but I have to do a flat back, so that's what I'm going to demonstrate today. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead after that, and we'll do typewriter, hip dips, and figure eights. We're going to go ahead, come down here, and I'm going to have your feet are in line with your your butt, okay? Inhale to prepare, exhale and lift, okay? And head back down. Inhale, exhale, and inhale all the way down. Those are just your bridges. And you can push down in your arms a little bit. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, for a typewriter, I'm just going to shift my hips from one side to the other. Just like that. So lateral shifts, that's your typewriter. And the thing is, you're going to keep your, keep the hips up. Now you could do a hip dip where you do one side down and the other side down. Just like that. Bring your one side up, down. Now figure eights. Figure eights with your hips. So you're going up, and a circle in your hips in a figure eight pattern. There's a little sway there. All right, so it's up and down, rotating. I'm trying to keep everything stable. All right, so those are some fun things you could do with bridges.